Strengthening your core will also help you improve your inversion practice. And everybody likes to look good in a bathing suit. Legs out in front of us. And we're gonna inhale and just bring the arms up. Exhale, bring your palms in front of your heart. Interlace your fingers, take a deep inhale. And this is where we're activating, we call it Uddiyana Bandha. So we want to pull our navel in and up. For about 3 to 5 breaths. Good. And then exhale, just stretch out, reach around for your feet and fold. So we're just starting with a stretch out. Release your neck. Your knees can be bent if you're modifying, okay? And so you want to scoot forward on your mat. Reach forward, tuck your chin, and roll down slowly. So here, squeezing in my thighs, pulling in my abs, and we're going to roll all the way to the floor. And extend the arms up. And exhale your hands by your sides. Inhale, take your right leg, flex the heel, and just start with some basic circles. And then go the other way. And then just go a real tiny little circle there. This is great for stretching the hamstrings, but also we're pulling our abs down. Exhale, float that foot down and switch sides. This feels great on my lower back. And we're kind of cleaning that hip joint. So we want to go both directions. And exhale, float that foot down. Okay, so now tuck the knees in and lift the legs. That way it protects your lower back. Lifting up the lower back a little, make sure you're comfortable. Raise your head, paddle your hands up and down. Okay, these are called 100s. I'm breathing my Ujjayi breath. 4, 3, you can lower the feet for more intensity. And back up. Good, and rest. Good, and then we're gonna hold the right leg, lower that other leg, stretch out your hamstring. So flex your foot, pull the leg in. Four. And exhale, float that foot down and switch sides. So take that left leg up. So we are balancing strength and flexibility always. So we want to make sure we don't get injured. So that's why we're taking a little extra time to open the hamstring. Good, and then we're gonna go into some straight leg core work. So raise your head, pull in, 1, 2, and switch. Don't let this other leg come down. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Incorporating long and strong movements. Good, and then bring your legs up, tuck the knees in, and roll yourself up into seated. All right, working a little bit into the obliques. We want to sit with our legs extended, palms together, shoulders back, and inhale, reach the left arm back. 1, 2, arms together, hands together, other side. 1, 2. So we really want to reach our wingspan and then bring it together and switch. Your gaze can follow your hand back and forward. Your head can roll, your neck can open a little that way. we'll do one more on each side. So one here, good, pull in. And when you're here, you want to shoulders back, okay? 1, 2 here, good, and rest. All right, let's bend the knees and dig your heels down firmly. Bring your hands on top of each other and exhale. Stretch forward, open your lower back. Good, you can hear my breath. My knees are opening. This is a really great stretch in the lower back. Spine is rounded. And this is a roll back. So I'm tucking my chin and I'm rolling down slow. Inhale, reach the arms behind you. Pull your navel in, exhale. Tuck your chin and roll up and reach. 1, 2, and come back. Reach, come up like you're diving in the water. Reach your ears between the arms. Go ahead, 2 more. Good, and we'll do one more. Go ahead and come up. Good. And then we're gonna scoot forward. So if you were scooting back on your mat, you're doing it right. All right, come back onto your elbows. Pull your knees into your chest. Raise the legs and let the right leg come down. Hover, pulse twice and switch. Bring your focus into your center. Good, both legs up, both legs down, halfway hold. Back up. Good, and exhale, rest. Pull that right knee in and then cross over to the left. So let your lower back come off the floor and then reach your right arm out to the side. Stretch. Come back to center. We'll do the other side. So another part of abs is twisting. So I love to incorporate some twists to get that really wrung out feeling in the abdominal area. This also loosens the obliques. And 5, good. And come up, a little bit more hip prep. Grab the insides of your feet, happy baby. If you want to take this further, hold the big toes, bring the legs out wide. We're going to prepare for some straddle movements. Good, bring the legs together, roll yourself up. Good, and now we're going to bring our legs wide apart. All right, so part 1, bring your palms together, stretch. Or your hands on top of each other, stretch. Lift the sits bones, stretch. Modify by bending the knees or practice sitting tall. Stretch. Inhale, slide up, bring your arms in a T, and here we go. We're gonna reach our opposite hand to our foot and just stretch first. My other hand is behind me, fingertips down. And then I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna turn my body and I'm gonna reach. Good, and now we're gonna go back and forth. 1, 2, center, switch. Good, I'm starting to feel a little heat. It's a beautiful summer day in Cincinnati. You can find me teaching in Cincinnati at Yoga Studio, or you can find me online. Good. I'm offering regular classes online in Rocket. All right, good. Take a side stretch, okay? Right arm on the inside of the leg, side stretch. Good, and then we'll switch sides. And so I specialize in Rocket yoga teacher training. And during the teacher training, I add in some of this cross training into part of training your body, building strength. When you build strength and flexibility in your body, you build confidence in your mind and your heart. Okay, a little bit more here. So feet are flexed, lace your hands behind your head, engage your core. Take the right elbow to the outer hip. 1, 2, pull back to center, switch. Up, side, up, side. Oh yeah, I can start to feel it now. Yeah. One more each side. You can do it. Pull up really strong and slow and hug those legs in, rocking your hips and lower back. And we're gonna inhale, we're gonna roll back again. Take your feet flat and inhale, press your pelvis up. So this is a great way to open the hip flexors from abdominal work, open the abdominals. Breathe, open your chest. Be aware of everything that you feel. Be aware of your thoughts. Feel your body and mind getting stronger together, and exhale, lower down. All right, a little more cross training. Raise your head, hands parallel to the mat, and we're gonna go side, side, reach, all for the core. Good, reach between the legs. Ready? And reach. Little baby sit-ups. Reach, reach, reach. Good. About 6 to 8 reps on each exercise. Taking our hands, reach down by your heels and lift, lift, lift. 4 and 5, and come down. Good, and rest. Grab the insides of your feet and open your knees. Happy baby. Take that right foot over to figure 4. Everybody loves this position. Grab a hold of that left leg. Pull it in. Good, and now we can incorporate a little more cross training. Take that left foot down, arms by your sides, and lift. 4, 3, 2, and lower. Okay, let's switch sides. Other side, figure 4. Really warming up our whole body with this core workout today. We're warming up our hips, our back, our quads. Everything is getting a little freshening up, a little toning. And take your foot down and lift, lift, lift. So see how my knee's coming up towards me? We want to do the opposite. We want to push that knee down a little and lift from the thigh. So you have those opposing forces. Now I feel it in my glute. 3, 2, And exhale, come down. Good. And rest and hug your knees in and rock up and down. Good. And we'll go into a real soft forward fold. So bend the knees, reach for your toes, drop your head. Good. Good. Thank your body. Thank your mind. Thank your heart. Namaste.